KTC Manufacture is one of the brand which is located at Surat, Surat is very famous for the textile hub. Many more manufacture weaving work sarees are getting manufactured here. Looks like the bottle. This is the saree pack. Every saree you will find out a box also. Hi all, I'm your Rani Subramanian here from KTC Manufactures. Once again, I welcome you all to KTC Factory. I hope all are safe and doing great. So today I'm going to show you collections, exclusive varieties from the silk segment. KTC Manufacture is one of the brand which is located at Surat, Surat is very famous for the textile hub. Many more manufacture weaving work sarees are getting manufactured here. And if you are into a retail business of silk varieties, you can directly contact KTC brand. There's a numbers are on the screen. Just subscribe the channel and there's a bell icon near there. So for regular updates, you can keep watching and you can do online shopping and add into your business many more collections from the KTC brand. If I talk about the brand, the benefits of the brand, which is giving you a design, a beautiful catalog base, and there is a over index page over here with a color chart, and every sari you will find out the code of this pattern, and every individual sari which giving you the beautiful color chart options of the saris. If I talk about these saris are traditional, either party wear, either functional, classy, professional, formal, all kind of weaving work saris are getting manufactured. You can look at my background. This is a samples which I placed here. The beautiful small butta of the sari, which is yellow with the dark red contrast color of the rich, high, beautiful pallu over there. And this is the sari body part. And here is a brocade blouse of the beautiful front and back part. And this is the combination of the sari, which is a pure south yellow with red color combination. These saris are the same collections where you're watching here. Bottle green, yellow with red color. There's a royal blue color. Parrot green with the dark green color combination, green with dark magenta combination, purple with blue, again with the blue with magenta, again magenta with blue. These exclusive color combinations, it's a demand, the market ratio, which is analyzing and taking a ratio, what kind of collections are moving and demanding at the market. Manufacturers are getting prepared for the silk, many more varieties. And if I talk about these collections of packing, the beautiful packing box you can see here, and the photocopy of individual sari photocopy, the model shoot has been done also. And this sari looks like the bottle. This is the sari pack. Every sari you will find out a box also. There's a multi-purpose box, you can use it. And these saris having a more rich collections of the elegant varieties the KTC brand is giving you. And this saris, individual sari you can find out, and you can add single prices based on the color combinations. So that's where the retail is doing a business. And if I talk about the next silver butta, which is an exclusive collections. This is a cool soft silk variety, which is again the Kanjivaram pattern. Such a beautiful, this color chart you will find only dark colors. Magenta, bottle green, dim blue, and this is a Rani color and the royal blue color and the brinjal color. So these are the collections. If I talk about the first sari pattern, so beautiful color sari. If I talk about the beautiful veil, I can say, and here is a beautiful pallu. See, there's a traditional color combinations, and this is the body part of the sari, and this is what it looks. So this sari is also having a beautiful boxes. This box you'll just open like this and you will show you to your customers. So every sari you will find out. So such collections, the same saris. This is the boxes. This is the color chart. Exclusive varieties where the brand is giving you many new varieties according to the season. Any season, festival season, either for Diwali, either for New Year, for the functions, for the festivals, whatever the traditional all over the bases and family events together. So these all collections you can buy. And if I talk about the rapier silk cotton also, we do having a beautiful color chart over there. So this is also one more pattern. So Mannat cotton, this sari you will find very classy look, and here is a one color chart, 1, 2, 3, 6 colors. In these colors, I'm going to show you the dark I can say this is a cookies color. Cookies color combination, the leaf matte look finishing of the sandal color and the golden color combination. This is the elegant varieties of the sari, which the same sari you are seeing here. This sari also is having a different kind of settled box color, which is a plain. And this saris, you have a color chart again. The saris of light green, you have this pink color, light yellow color, light green color, and with the dark pink color. This is the color chart. So every sari you will find out exclusive varieties. And silk, if I talk about silk, I can talk and show you one more richest grand collections of Banarasi varieties. Banarasi is always demand nowadays at all cities for the grand wedding collections. Nowadays, every woman is demanding for the grand varieties of Banarasi, which is fancy Nayan silk. Friends, you can every pattern, I'm saying you the code and I'm showing you the code. Please mark the code. It will be helpful for doing online shopping. So this, you have a temple pattern of the Butta work and the stone work. This is the Butta work, I can say. This is a temple design which is placed. And here is the brand. Again, you will see fancy Nayan silk with blouse. Brand, when you buy a saris in Surat, you have to find out sari length. Sari length when you buy with 630 meters with blouse, without blouse, you have to just check the length and you purchase from a manufacturer. Many manufacturers are there, but the sari length also it's very important when you're purchasing for a business for your customers. So here is a color, which is a beautiful color. So temple design, or I can say leaf pattern. And this is a stone which is placed. This is a beautiful pallu and small butta. You will find out the matte finishing of the brocade blouse with the border, with the highlights of the hand pattern. And if I talk about this boxes of Banarasi, you are getting such grand look varieties of the box packing. And this sari looks like this packing. You have a color chart with light green color, dark magenta color, and dark pink color you have, and dark yellow you have, and again you have a peach color. So this collections also you can easily set, and you can easily, these collections are fast moving collections. If in a family, if we are a 5 to 6 women, you can just have a same sample of saris for any function or for the events. Coming to the one more Banarasi, which is a casual stylish look, which is Look Saryu Silk Sari. This code you have a Look Saryu Silk, and this is a brand of the 4 color chart. I am showing you the color chart the manufacturers is giving you. Light settled color of the light pastel color, light peach color, then again light green color, again baby pink color. So this box, if I talk about, this is a beautiful box designed, and the box has been given the golden finishing. These boxes you can highlight at your showroom. When you have a mannequin, when you have a hanging like this, the futures in your shop, you have an interior ambient setup, such exclusive only you can keep silk showroom. And if you want to invest, on put something money, you are retired, you got a bank balance, you can directly tie up with KTC. You want to have a ready-made collections, boutique varieties, or silk, only silk showroom, or you want to have a shop, you want to do online business, you can add your brand in e-commerce platform also for the online business. Retailers are having many profitable business in the clothing. So every day, everyone wants new collections. So I can tell you these silk exclusive varieties, which starts from only 500 rupees to 3,000 rupees a buck, where you can buy it manufacturing cost. So hurry up for these orders, place an order, COD future available. You do have a net banking, you can do online payments, domestic services we provide you, and international sea services, cargo services we are providing you. And there is a smooth communication of languages, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada. No worries, no language barrier once you visit KTC, which is located at Surat Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, first floor. Morning to 9:30, the shop will be open. When you come, you can see the fabric, you can touch the fabric, you can feel it, you can wear it, you can you will have all doubts you can clear. You will find out what is a manufacturer, what kind of collections they are giving. So this will help you to visit. So first visit once, then you can do online orders, I can say. So 7 to 10 days you will receive your orders. So let me know at the comment box which sari you really liked it and what kind of collections you are looking from KTC. So next video I'll come up with new collections. So I'll end up this video. Please subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Please don't forget to share with your friends, with everyone. So next video will come up. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.